Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to start the promo Splice app. You will click on settings in this page. You will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Splice. Then you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.